And hello, and welcome to another episode of Days of the Wolf. The date is October 25th, 2018, on a Thursday. This is your host, D Wolf, coming at you live somewhere in a secret location within the Northwest. Um, I've been kind of putting out this video, and I think it's kind of like it's kind of come to pass that I'm a big, as you may or may not know, I'm a big fan of the right to repair movement, and I think that if you buy a piece of hardware, whether it be a car, whether it be a computer, whether it be a cell phone or whatever, you own that product. If you paid for it or it was gifted to you or whatever, you own that product, so you can do whatever you want with it. Now, there's been a lot of things in the news with Apple. They don't have the same feelings about that. They want to control their hardware to such a degree where they make it virtually impossible for other third-party repair shops to repair their products. Now, there's a couple of schools of thought on this. Some people say, well, Apple is its own company, it can do whatever it wants with its products. Well, yeah, that's true up to the point when they sell it to you. And once they sell it to you, then it becomes yours. You're not leasing it from them. You're purchasing the product. If it was leasing, maybe there might be some fudge room. But, these Apple products are very expensive. And they're more expensive than an equivalent hardware configuration, in my opinion. I have friends that will say otherwise, and I would tell my friends that they're quite frankly wrong. I'm not a fanboy on either side of the camp, although I do lean toward admiring Samsung a little bit more than I admire Apple. I follow Louis Rossmann, I believe. He's a right to repair advocate on the East Coast. He has a little shop, and I've been watching a lot of his videos, and it's like, wow. He breaks out the microscope, he looks at the schematics, and, he diagnoses and fixes the problem to such an aptitude that far surpasses anybody at the genius bar. So, well, and that's my biggest gripe with Apple. It's like, oh, okay, well, it's going to cost you over $1,000 to repair a particular item, so just buy a new item. Put the $1,000 you would have spent and pay a few $100s more for a brand new item and stuff. And it's like, that's ridiculous. So my biggest gripe about that is, I don't think Apple should have that proprietary right on all their items. I personally will not buy an Apple product. I have no inclination to. First off, they're overpriced. They're overpriced just by themselves. I had an argument back in the day when Steve Jobs was still alive that it was a quality product, and Apple really went out of their way to put good products out there. But now they want this totalitarian control over everything that goes out of their shop to just string people along, on those stupid hype commercials where everybody's like dancing around and, yay, I got my iPhone. That's like really cool and stuff. But, that's just like the herd of people that are out there that are just devotees to any other religion. I guess Apple could be considered a cult of sorts. I happen to worship at the cult of technology. So if there's a technological superior product with a reasonable price, I tend to go on that route. But there's a lot of screwy business going on, especially when people deal with Apple products. And I see it all the time. Got people that are close to me, they're just Apple devotees. Apple devotees. They don't care about the price. They don't care about the cost. They'll buy a new computer when a pin's out of place or something, and yeah, that's great. But I just think that a company that has or wants that much control over its product, on the one hand, you can say, well, they want to give a quality product out. Well, that would be great if it was a quality product. And if simple things that just stumps the genius bar, can just be diagnosed and taken care of by like Louis Rossman in like less than 10 minutes, that makes me wonder about their integrity of their staffing and stuff. So, yeah, right to repair. I think that everybody should have a right to repair their items, especially if they're technically proficient enough to do that.